In episode 12, we saw how machine learning turned data into prediction and prediction into control. But there's a technical ceiling for classical computers. To process true complexity, the chaos of human behavior, the turbulence of global markets, the mysteries of biology and subconsciousness and consciousness, we need a new kind of computing power. We need a technology so powerful, it could make today's AI look like an abacus. Hence, quantum computing. Now, what is quantum computing exactly? Unlike classical bits, 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits that can be 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to superposition. Quantum computing also uses entanglement, where qubits influence each other instantly, no matter the distance. This lets quantum computers process problems with exponential parallelism, exploring possibilities classical systems would take billions of years to calculate. Quantum computing promises breakthroughs in cryptography and cryptobreaking, climate modeling, new medicine discovery, advanced AI, and most importantly, predicting complex chaotic systems like markets, politics, mass psychology, and maybe even time travel. Let's look at two current systems: Socrates, the oracle of markets. One system that already is pushing the boundaries of prediction is Socrates, developed by Martin Armstrong of Armstrong Economics. Socrates analyzes over 1,000 years of economic data and tracks tens of thousands of global variables, cycles, weather, wars, social unrest, and success to generate stunningly accurate forecasts. Martin Armstrong claims Socrates can project shifts years in advance with eerie precision, such as the 1987 crash, the 1998 Russian debt default, the 2008 financial crisis, upcoming sovereign debt implosions. While Socrates isn't yet confirmed as quantum-powered, it shows how combining massive data sets with advanced algorithms can approach quantum-like prediction. If you added true quantum computing to such an existing system, it could anticipate economic collapses or even engineer them. BlackRock's Aladdin, the algorithmic digital god of finance. Another example is BlackRock's Aladdin, short for Asset, Liability, and Debt Derivative Investment Network. Aladdin oversees over $20 trillion in assets. It uses high-frequency data, risk analysis, and AI to model markets in real time. This made BlackRock, in cooperation with State Street and Vanguard Group, the richest asset management companies. Some insiders call it the most powerful financial tool ever created, an AI so deep it can predict market movements, identify hidden risks, rebalance entire countries' pensions and sovereign wealth funds. Aladdin isn't publicly known to use quantum hardware yet, but imagine BlackRock integrating quantum computing into Aladdin, a machine capable of predicting and influencing every financial market on Earth. Why quantum predictions are different is because classical computers use linear calculations, one path, one answer. Quantum computers explore all paths simultaneously, collapsing them into the most probable outcome. This makes them perfect for forecasting chaotic systems, like weather patterns, viral pandemics, election results, social movements, and ultimately, human behavior at a global scale. Once quantum computers become stable and practical, they could enable real-time global simulations, perfect prediction of populations, AI with near-omniscient foresight. But the important question is, whose hands will control it? The potential and risks are massive. This will lead to digital omnipotence. Quantum computing could break all current encryption, exposing many current things like bank records, medical data, national secrets, all your personal communications. It could also allow predictive policing and pre-crime detection, punishing people for what they're likely to do in the near future, not what they've done yet. Like in the Tom Cruise movie, The Minority Report. In the hands of elites, it becomes a digital crystal ball, a way to steer humanity before we even make choices. Ancient rulers used astrologers, priests, and oracles to divine the future. From ancient prophets to quantum oracles is a small step. Today's rulers use algorithms, big data, and soon quantum processors. But the result is the same. Control of hidden and true knowledge means a total control of destiny. But this time, the stakes are global. Quantum computing could free humanity from disease, poverty, and ignorance, or enslave us in a matrix of perfect prediction and absolute manipulation. The Watchers taught humans forbidden knowledge once, triggering chaos. Quantum technology could be our next forbidden fruit. Are we ready to wield it wisely as humanity? This was episode 13, revealing quantum computing as the key to digital omnipotence. In episode 14, we'll explore artificial general intelligence, AGI. What happens when machines move beyond narrow tasks and above human-level understanding and creativity? Subscribe, share with colleagues, your loved ones, and on social media, because the final battle for your mind has already begun and you are in it.